In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to install Rapido app on your iPhone. If you're ready to get started as a Rapido rider or Rapido captain, let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Go to the search bar. This is where you'll download the Rapido Captain app. Search for Rapido Captain or Rider. Now, as you can see, this app, make sure you're looking for the official app by Rapido, which should be listed as Rapido Rider or Rapido Captain. Now, once you've found it, simply tap on Get. Now, you may be prompted to enter your Apple password or use Face ID. Go ahead and do that to begin the download process. Once you do that, your app will be starting to install. And that's it. This is how you download Rapido Captain on your iPhone.